Ooh, got another bonus. Hold and spin. Hello everyone, this is John with Traveling Gamblers, and Joyce and I are at the WYNN for the first time, and I'm here with Joyce.
Hello, John.
I'm gonna play Lightning Link High Stakes. Come on. So I need 6 of these, or, ooh, that's nice, 35 bucks. Yeah, they're the progressives. Well, 3 of these guys. Come on, oh, come on, 2 more. Come on, 3 of them. Ooh, close. Come on, 3. Come on. Three more, come on. Oh boy. Okay. Come on. $135. Not bad. Let's try quarters. Come on, 3 more. Come on. Oh, that would have been nice. Come on, one more. Yes. Okay, so we got a bonus with 25, that's $12.50. So let's see what happens. 25 cents. Come on. Ooh. Let's get that coin. Oops, okay. Come on, coin. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. That's not good. Ooh, got another bonus. Hold and spin. Come on, I'll take the major. Someone next to us hit the major with a $5 bet, and it was like $700, $800. So anything's possible. Minor would be good too. 1250. I'll take it. I'd settle for the mini. I'll settle for anything actually.
Okay, when anyone will do.
Ugh. Come on. Oh wow. Okay. See what we have. Not too bad, I think. Let me see what we have here. I have 442. See if Joyce and I are going to split. Hold on. So, Joyce and I took the money, split it, and we have $300 each. And now I'm going to continue playing the 1250 spins. Go do a couple of backup spins. Okay, here we go. Oh, went back to 10 cents. I want it on 25. Okay. I think 200 and something, 200, I think 282 or something. Okay, let's go back to dimes. And we'll play $5. Oh, come on. Come on, suitcases.
What do you have left?
124.
Yeah, I'm not feeling it here.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna call it here. I have 100 left. Joyce has 200 left. Thank you for watching. Smash the like button, and we invite you to subscribe. Take care now.